Hey, what's up guys? So today's video is going to be a small haul video for you guys. I actually didn't purchase all these things at once. I've been buying them here and there. But I thought today would be a good day to film a haul because I don't have time to film an eyeshadow look for you guys. So I'm going to cut this intro short and let's get right into the stuff that I purchased, okay? So the first things that I got were from Walmart. I actually purchased two things. One of the first things that I got was this e.l.f. Precise brush. It's actually, I got it on clearance. It was $5 original price. And of course, I wasn't at Walmart to shop for anything makeup related, but we sprang by the clearance and I found this stuff, so I thought it was a good deal and I purchased it because it's something that I will use, you know. And this is a brush, and the handle's really nice. It's clear. Can't even see the name, but it's e.l.f. And this is a little brush. It's a tip. It's a really nice precision brush. So I bought this one because, you know, it was a good deal and I am going to get use out of it. It's not like it's just going to sit in my drawer. So that's one thing that I got there. And then the other thing, it's supposed to be for cuticle trimming. They're little scissors, and my husband actually spotted these. And I thought, oh, these would be good, like, to trim my eyebrows, you know. So they were $3. And, yeah, it's cuticle scissors, but I guess you can use them for whatever you want, right? And then I also, when I ordered my last ColourPop palette, I ordered a couple of things with that order, but I hadn't shared with you guys, so I'm going to share them with you now. The first thing that I got is this, what is it called? It's a Brow Boss from ColourPop, and it's a brow pencil, which I'm actually using on my brows today. I really like it. And this one is in brunette. You probably won't be able to focus on that, but this is what it looks like. And it's the tip there. And what I really like about this brow thing is that it comes with a little brush here. So it comes with a little brush, and it's very, like, I don't know, it feels really nice on the brows. So yeah, it's pretty good. So I've already used it a couple times, but I put it in the box so you guys can see it, which, I mean, you know, whatever. So that's this. And then also from ColourPop, I got this Luxe Give Me Some lipstick. It looks like this. I haven't opened it yet, and this is in the K-Pop Velvet. It's probably not gonna focus, but let me just open and share with you guys. And I'm gonna swatch this one because I'm really excited. I used to have an orange lipstick a long time ago, like a long time ago. It was from MAC, and I really liked it. I don't even know what it's called or if they still make it, but that's why I got this one, because I don't have an orange lipstick in my collection, so I thought this would be something good to add. And this is what the packaging looks like. It's like rose gold with little stars on it. And oh no, you see that? The tip is like chipped off. I mean, it's not a big deal, right? But the rest of it's in there. No big deal. But anyway, that's what it looks like. And it has a bunch of little stars. So let me swatch this for you. And it's like a matte. It's a matte shade, but it's kind of creamy. It feels a little weird. Like, it feels like it's gonna break off for some reason. But anyways, besides that, it's a really pretty color. I'm really glad I purchased this one. And it's hard to pick like lipsticks online because there's like so many shades and colors, and you never know what they're gonna swatch like. But this one was pretty good. So there it is. Hold that thought. Anyway, another thing that I got from ColourPop is this liquid lips, and this one is called, I don't think it has a name. I don't know. But I really like this packaging. It's like holographic. See, it's clear, but it's holographic. It's really nice. And let's open it. And I haven't used this one either. This is more like of a pink shade. That's what it looks like. And let's swatch it. Ooh. Look at that. That's nice. And I'm not sure if this dries matte. I don't think so, but it doesn't matter because the shade is really pretty. I'll let you know in a couple of minutes, see if it dries up. So that's from ColourPop. And I think that's all I got from them that time that I ordered. And then also the other day at the grocery store, kind of random purchase, I got these two Wet n Wild brushes, which I already opened one, but this is what they come in. Crease brush. It's pretty soft, and of course they're synthetic. I mean, but it doesn't bother me. So I can get this one out. So these are the two brushes that I got. They feel pretty nice. I'll use them probably in my next video. So two brushes. I got a couple more brushes that I'll share with you guys in a minute. And then this one I purchased at Sephora a while back, maybe like a month and a half or something. And this is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Primer, which I'm wearing today. The reason that I got this one was because originally I was going into Sephora to purchase another Smashbox primer, because I had already used up two of those, but I figured I'd try something different, you know, like, I mean, so and then I think this one was maybe like $3 cheaper than the Smashbox one, so I said let's give it a try. And so far so good. I mean, it's worked. I can't take it out of the box. And this is a smooth, soft matte. Let's take it out. And this is what it looks like. The only thing that I'm kind of scared of is that the bottle is actually glass, and I don't have a very good history with glass containers. Short story, my husband's buying me, like, he doesn't buy me a lot of perfumes because I know I hardly wear them, but the two that he's bought in, one of them I managed to break, and the other one I left for some reason, I don't know what I did to it, but like we were going to our marriage retreat, so I took it with me, right, and I stuck it in it's a little pouch that I had for it, and somehow it all spilled, like everything. I don't know, so I told him, you know, just don't buy me perfumes because something's gonna go wrong. So first bottle I broke, so that's why I'm kind of scared of like glass containers. That's why I keep it in the box, because I feel like it's safer this way. I feel like I just toss it in my little makeup bag, I'm gonna manage to break it. So this is the Fenty primer. So, and I really like it so far. I mean, it does a job. So that's that. And then yesterday I was at Ulta, and I actually purchased another liner, because this is the Smashbox one, which I really like, but I'm almost gonna finish it because I use it so much. So I thought I'd try something different again, you know, like to explore other brands and, you know, types of products. So I got the Tarte High Performance Naturals Clay Pot, and let me show you what it looks like. And again, this is a Tarte liner, and this is in black. And if I'm not mistaken, my sister has this one. I don't know, I think she has it, but anyway. So, and this is a little pot it comes in, and let me open it. Saying that it seems like it's a little bit of product, but I've had other products similar to this and they do last a long time, so that's why I didn't mind paying for this. And along with this, I purchased and you know what's so funny, like, look at how small the container is and the big old box they have for it. I mean, is that necessary? I don't know, but that's weird. So that's the liner. And then of course I bought the Tarte Etch and Sketch double-ended eyeliner, which looks like this. So of course that's combo with this thing. So I got these two. And then while at Ulta, I noticed that they sell ColourPop. I had never noticed before. Maybe it's new, I don't know. And I got the No Filter Concealer, and this one is in medium dark. And I purchased it because I have a concealer from MAC that's already about to finish, so I thought I'd try this one. And this is, again, it seems like a glass little container, but it's a little smaller. And let me swatch it for you guys. So I thought that was a good shade, because I usually just use a concealer like for under my brows to clean it up, and I use another Maybelline one for under my eyes, so I thought this one was good. And also, going back to that ColourPop lip gloss, you can see it dried matte, so that is a good thing because I love matte lipsticks. And so that's the ColourPop thing. And then I got some brushes because I mean, I have quite a few brushes, but I could use a couple more. So I got this one, whiwhich is the Morphe M173. And I only have one other Morphe brush, which I got for Christmas. If you guys saw my Take Me Back to Brazil eyeshadow look, I used a new Morphe brush that my friend got for me. And I really like the brush, so I thought I'd try a couple more. And I was very close to buying an actual Morphe brush set, but I didn't want to because there's a couple of brushes that I know I'm not going to get use out of, and it was cheaper buying it this way anyway. So I just picked out the brushes that I thought would be more useful to me. So again, this is an M173, and I've never had a brush like this. It's like a little buffer blender brush, and it's really chubby, and I really like it. So that's one brush that I got, and then let's see. Yeah, there it is. It's a chubby buffer brush. So I thought it was really cool. I want to try that out. And then another brush that I got is the M213, which is a smudger brush. And let me open it for you guys. I hope this video is not too long. I'm almost done, I promise.
Mommy, this is my brush.
And this is what this brush looks like. It's like a little small smudger brush. And then I also got this M504, which it doesn't specify what it's called, but let me take it out. And this is, it looks like a blending brush, but it's like bigger than your average blending brush, which is why I got it. And it's really soft. And it's a little more like spread out than the other one that I have. So that's that one. And then the other thing that I got was, this is also a round blender brush, the M513. And let me take it out. And this is what this one looks like. I really like it. And then the last one that I got, and also the reason why I got the brushes too was because I was going in with the intention of buying the Jeffree Star brushes, but of course they were already sold out. And then same thing there, I know there's a couple of brushes in the set, like the big face brushes that I don't need. I would rather get shadow brushes, so that's why I opted for buying the individual ones. So even though the set is really nice and the case is really pretty, I mean, they didn't have it anyway, so I was like, okay, whatever. So the last thing that I'm going to share with you guys is this Morphe M167, which is like a flat brush. And so yeah, these are all the brushes that I got. I got a total of 5. And that, oh, hello. I almost forgot the big mama of this haul. I finally got this palette. Hello, Jaclyn Hill. I can't believe I almost forgot to show you guys this. It's because all the other stuff was like kind of sitting on top of it, and I thought it was like, I don't know. It looks like, anyway, it's besides the point. So this is the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm pretty sure most of you guys have seen this palette. I had seen it. I mean, every time I go to Ulta, I'm tempted to buy it, but this time around I said, I'm not gonna stay, you know, wanting it. I'm just gonna buy it already. Screw it. And it comes very well bubble wrapped. And I'm really excited to film a couple looks for you guys. Does this have a mirror? Oh no. So this is what it looks like. Oh, this is so pretty. And of course, the colors that draw me the most are these. And this yellow one is really nice. So hopefully I'll be filming a look for you guys using the palette. And anyways guys, so that pretty much concludes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to leave your comments down below and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And again, thank you to everyone who's already subscribed to my channel. And if you haven't done so, go ahead and do so now if you want to keep watching more of my videos. And don't forget to hit the little bell so you get notified every time that I upload. And that's it. I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys. Thanks.